Motor blew.
Alright, hold the brake on it. Okay.
Got pinched. Currently trying to get it out. Sucks.
Alright, so we're about to come on the back side. We're about to go down.
Supposed to go wheeling.
Yeah.
Like
So we're
tomorrow
fine,
and
pretty good
until Sunday, but you can't do that with a blown motor. I mean, it started once, but kept
a little bit
dumping
more. Ease off
oil.
the brake.
Just popped out, made smoke and noises, and wouldn't turn back on. Then it did turn back on, but it dumped oil, made more smoke and noises. It was like
Good.
so yeah,
I'm gonna let the jack
probably not
slowly
the best
down.
idea to turn it on, but yeah, pretty much the engine decided to pop. Like a mosquito when it drinks too much. It'll just suck and suck and suck blood, but it won't be able to stop itself because there are problems with its organisms sometimes, and then it'll just pop. Well, it's out,
It's out.
and there's a cable running across the headlight.
Nice. That wasn't too bad. Nah, not to it.
Do we have to get it in the garage?
No.
It's
Or leave
fine.
it there for the night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take a crew. Or just another Jeep with a winch on it.
Or a truck.
AKA everybody's busy this weekend, so it's gonna be here for a while.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. We'll see. We might get froggy and get creative. I can come out Sunday if you don't already have moved by then. Probably won't. I'd like to. Yeah. So we'll see how it goes. I might get Bobby and Scott Thornsberg and anybody else come over.
Get it out.
I guess that would be better to push it in this way, and then that'll be an open garage, and that's how I always work. Wrench type deal.
Are you
Whatever
opposed?
I'm working on, it usually
It doesn't
goes to
pause
front,
on
so
the
you can
iPhone.
expand out
So you're
to
still
the
taping
driveway.
it,
Yeah.
even though nothing's happening?
Just when it's something long
I
term
don't
like
have the
that, it's
option
almost
to
better
pause
do
on
the
the
other way
phone.
around,
I have to end the video and film another one. It's the only way to do that.
just because
I would if I could, but I can't. I need my Android to do that, to
Been my
pause.
theory in the
It's a
past,
really
I
cool
could leave the
feature that
garage
makes me want to
door
start using
closed
an Android to
and
film
work.
again.
I just feel like you're not really taping anything.
Then again,
I'm
I
going
can still
to
do
in
that.
a moment,
Push
but
it back
Daddy's
Is it
over.
recording now?
Daddy's busy. Yes.
Yeah, you'd still be able to roll it.
Yeah.
You can't pause. So
That's
yeah,
probably what I'll
it's
do.
been recording
I'll
this whole
push
time.
it.
Little tires
What?
might be a pain in the ass though.
Yeah,
What?
I'll work it out.
Yeah.
I'll probably maybe put them over there.
Yeah.
Block that door off for now. Yeah.
Come on, Dad.
Yes.
I'm trying to figure out why the engine blew. We know how it blew. It overloaded. We think. We don't know how or why it blew yet. That's what we're trying to figure out, right?
Correct.
Any ideas?
No, not right now. I don't have any ideas. We gotta start tearing it down.
I'm thinking that the 43s, the 42s were doing a number on it. And that's probably why we switched back to 40s, right?
I mean, I feel like there was definitely a valve tick. I feel like the 3.6 is not a great engine anyway.
Better than the 3.8.
That may be true, but definitely not a 6.0 Chevy, or even the old 5.7 for that matter.
Maybe I'll wipe the residue off of that.
What's an extremely reliable engine? I mean, well, that little inline four over.
Reliable gas engine.
Well, that inline four over there lasted, has lasted like, it was 2012. So, it's 2010, it would have been 11 years. So 11, 10, 2012, 9. 9 years. 8 or 9 years that engine has lasted. It's a lot.
You want some purple power?
No. I really don't care. I was just getting to where tomorrow when I set my trailer, I'm not gonna bust my hand.
Don't slip and bust that.
By tomorrow, it's gonna be so absorbed into it that it's not gonna be anything. But there's actually a little hallway.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a.
What would you say is the most reliable V8 gas engine?
Yeah, 6.0 Chevy, pretty much.
I mean, honestly, I don't think there's a motor out there besides the diesel that is so consistently over 300,000 miles.
Yeah. Agreed. That one I was just looking at on Facebook Marketplace was 189,000 miles on it. I was still looking at it like,
It's really not, that's not that high.
not that bad. It's not that bad, and it's not a bad motor to rebuild.
No.
And it's worth it. You know, if you rebuild it,
You got 189,000 to get back out of it.
Yeah,
Engines are like Minecraft. In Minecraft,
exactly what I was thinking.
in Minecraft, you go about 12 million blocks out, and the world generator just goes, pop. Just completely goes in the toilet.
100% relevant to what we're
That
talking about.
used to make the Farlands.
So if you're still
The equivalent of an engine throwing a con rod.
Gabe, please don't go all Minecraft on me right now.
I'll still have to probably cheat a fender then.
You probably have to what?
Only do one fender still
That button don't do
For
anything.
when I try to really.
Trying to figure out the
Oh, yeah.
filming in this thing. I'm used to the tablet. This button doesn't do anything as far as I'm concerned.
I mean, you winching definitely fucked it up a little bit
Yeah,
as far as like you being able to line up how we wanted to.
yeah. But I feel like you'd be splitting.
And honestly, even you.
I can't pause on the phone. I can only pause on the other tablet, not the tablet that broke, the other one that the charger broke. So I can't pause the videos. So the best I can do is cut this off longer than I wanted it to be. But I'm not trying to make this too long. So I'm gonna cut it off, and if there's anything else that happens that I want to show you, I will make another one of these in the playlist. This was supposed to be like a 5-minute documentary. It's not documentary. What is it? Just a little 5-minute update. It's about 8 minutes now. In fact, it's gonna reach 8 minutes in right now. So it's 8 minutes long. It was supposed to be 5 minutes long. Whatever. I'm gonna cut it short here, and I'll see you in either the next video or the next short update on
Because that's a good looking truck.
that
But, you know,
blown
anytime
up engine thingy guy. Okay. Bye if I end up making more of these short 5-minute updates on blown motor, then you can find them in the playlist that you're probably watching this video on if you're smart. And if you're not smart, then, well, if you're not doing that, you are still smart, whatever. Someone who's not smart would not know how to work the YouTube. Whatever. So, you can find the video, any more of these that I make, wow, it's 9 minutes, in the playlist that you're probably already using. Okay, bye. See you in either the next video or the next short update on blown motor. For real this time.